guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick soft glam makeup look that I do when I have places to go. Currently I have nowhere to go because coronavirus is around, so I don't know if you're watching this video today, in a week's time, in a month's time, could be next year, but currently as of now, lockdown. Nothing, nowhere to go, nowhere. It's a really simple, really soft, you know, easy. So it's just a go, get out of the house, leave. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will stop talking right now so I can get straight into the video. So I've just quickly moisturized my face and done my eyebrows. I've not done anything too crazy to my eyebrows. Too much, nothing too crazy, so I'm gonna go straight in and apply my foundation. Normally when I'm doing a full glam makeup, I would do my eye makeup first and then go into my foundation, but I'm just gonna go straight in with skin makeup right now. If it was like a full glam makeup, I would use primer, but I use my moisturizer as like a primer. I don't know, I'm not really that big into primers. I just like to moisturize my face instead. Okay, so my skin is ready. The makeup is the makeup ready for my skin? I don't know because I can't find my foundation. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Foundation. I've only ever owned 3 foundations in my whole entire life. I've owned MAC, NARS, and Fenty. I tend not to put too much foundation on my forehead as well because my forehead is darker. I don't want to look ashy on my forehead, so I mean I dip and dab here and there, but I don't like to put too much on there. This foundation you can build up on top of it, so if you want to add more you can. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more because I'm feeling a bit extra, but normally this would do for me. This is fine. I like dewy, like a dewy makeup look, so I wasn't really a fan of matte foundation. But during the summer, I was just putting too much moisturizer on, then having a dewy foundation, then literally covering my face in setting spray. So it was too much. So I think now, especially during the summer, it works out better that I start with matte foundation and then I can, you know, cover my face in setting spray for that dewy look. But no, I really like this foundation. I'm gonna go in and yeah. With warm sand here. And on my nose. And a bit on my forehead. Go in with a beauty blender. And then I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi brown contour. With my brush. And blend, 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 blend. it's kind of like my eyeshadow, my contour. So I bring it up, brush. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty powder. This is in Banana. I like to use my powder on a wet sponge. So I don't really like to keep my powder on for long. I literally take it off as soon as I put it on, really. I'm gonna go with my bronzer. You just have to do that smiling face when you put blush on. Like, I feel like a clown. Okay, I think I overdid it with the blusher. And that one. And I'm gonna go in with my finger. Now I'm going to go in with my setting spray. And let all that just come together. Oh darling, I can't even show you the state of my highlighter because I actually smashed it and it's just all over the place. I don't think I've ever finished a highlighter. Anyway, highlight away. I love highlighting my nails. Need a little bit more. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara. I'm always thinking, okay, do I put mascara on and stop there because I have a sad excuse of eyelashes, or do I put on some strips? Majority of the time I just go about my day and put mascara on, but I think I'm gonna put on some lashes today. Why not? You know, why not put some lashes on? I just went in and made my eyebrows a little bit darker. I'm gonna go put some lashes on. So I accidentally put my like evening lashes on. Not accidentally, I think I would just be an extra. I'm gonna put my lip gloss on. I just love this lip gloss, it's like my favourite. And there you have it! This is my soft glam makeup look with or without lashes. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe because I'm going to be posting a lot more content. So yeah, have a nice day, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video.